Hi, these are all the food I ate in Sugbo Mercado in Cebu. The vibe is so lovely, a lot of people, and so many stalls to choose from. First off is this sushi. They have good flavors and the sizes are big, sulit for its price. Then I have these dim sums. The carrot siomai is so scrumptious, I couldn't stop eating it, and the siomai with quail egg is something new for me and is delicious too, especially with chili garlic. I've also tried their chicken feet, but it didn't hit the right spot. It kinda lacked flavor that I expect in a classic dim sum plate. To flush it down, I've got this watermelon and chia monster juice. They used fresh fruits, which was really refreshing. Then, what is Cebu if there's no lechon? This lechon has crispy skin and the meat is very succulent. It has a melt-in-your-mouth umami even without the sauce. I couldn't stop eating it. But I've got this big seafood plate that has shrimps, mussels, scallops, and corn with a tasty tomato sauce. I kind of finished everything. I am already so full, but I couldn't resist having green mangoes paired with their very own bagoong or shrimp paste. It was a winner. Overall, it was a delight, and I'll definitely come back on my next trip to Cebu and to try more. That's all for me. Enjoy!